What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We've got the car and we're going for a crab. So it's about a 10-minute full drive through that and it looks bloody boggy. But yeah, it should be pretty good. A few mates have already gone through and they told us to let our tyres down in advance. And just looking over here, you can see how boggy it is. That's the first bit of the water there, so about halfway. This area is packed, so we want to just punch down that way. Hopefully it's a bit quieter. The track does get a bit harder, so that's why it's a bit quieter and more busy down here. So we've just pulled up, got the cruiser, repping the best sticker around, but we're getting the drink and yeah, hopefully catch some. It's crazy how low the tide is. Like normally it goes right up just until there, but like, yeah, wow. They already landed one on the board, so hopefully continue and get a few more. Should be a good night. So guys, there's just a crab here. It's only a little one, but I'll scoop him up for you. It's only a little one, chuck it back. But yeah, this is what we're after tonight. Hopefully catch a few. Nice little fellow, we'll put him back. There you go, mate.
Upside down. Big one.
Another little crab, guys. Get this guy back in the drink. So we got the first size crab of the day. Beautiful little fella. Just chuck him in. So we haven't had a few crabs for a while. We're going for a look around. We continue just going straight up. Sun's slowly going down. But yeah, we haven't seen much activity for a bit. Hopefully as it gets more darker and we get the headlights on, catch a few more. But yeah, continue to hunt. So I just landed this beautiful crab. Only has one claw, just as the sun's going down. But yeah, he's a keeper, so we'll add him to the collection. So this is a crab here. You can tell it's a male based on how this is skinny. If it was fatter, you would know it was a female. But this guy's a keeper, so we'll chuck him in. So we're just heading back now. Dad's just picked up another awesome crab, he said. Biggest one, yeah. Is it this one at the end, Dad? Yep. Oh, that's pretty big compared to the others. Nice, beautiful crab. Ooh, he's a bit small. Yeah. Chuck him back. So we're just having some dinner now, and then we'll head back out with the torches. Pretty nice sunset. Bit of chicken for dinner. Yo! So yeah, these were the crabs. You got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we gave a few to the other guys. I think they had about 6. So what's that? 13 crabs. Pretty good effort for tonight, I reckon. So we've got the garlic, ginger, capsicum and onion just cooking in there. It'll take maybe 1 to 2 minutes. And then we've got the crabs here. So they're just in halves. We cleaned them out this morning and we'll add them. I think we got to cook them for about 10 minutes. And then after that we add that tomato paste to it. So this should be pretty good. So it's been long enough, so I'm just going to start putting these crabs one by one into the pan with the other good stuff. Just like that, they're all in, and 10 minutes and we'll be adding the tomato paste. Already the flavours in that smell delicious. So the crabs have just changed colour. You can tell they've gone that nice orange instead of the blue. So we're just putting in a salt, pepper, the chilli, and then we'll get that tomato paste straight in there for another 10 minutes. And there you have it, the delicious chili crab cook-up. How good. We're going to enjoy this now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button, leave a like. Thanks guys, and